Hi, my name is Maria Alexandra Mosquera Santos. My international food file, Napolitan pizza. Ingredients to make Napolitan pizza: 1. Mass, 2. Flour, 3. Salt, 4. Water, 5. Fresh cheese, 6. Filling, 7. Ketchup, 8. Fresh tomatoes, 9. Garlic, 10. Parsley, 11. Green olives, and olive oil. How to make Napolitan pizza. Steps. 1. We will start our homemade pizza with the dough. To do this, place the flour mixed with the pinch of salt on the table and make a hole in the center to shape it into a crown. 2. Take a bowl and pour the water together with the oil and stir everything until it is completely dissolved and pour the mixture into the center of the flour crown. 3. Integrate ingredients little by little until obtaining a homogeneous dough knit for 7 minutes. On the table, make a bowl with the dough and cover with plastic wrap. Let it sit for 20 minutes. 4. After time, stir the dough with the help of a rolling pin and transfer it to a previously floured baking tray. Now is the time to fit it out. 5. Spread tomato sauce over the pizza base. Leaving 1 centimeter spread the grated mozzarella all over the place and bake the pizza for 10 minutes at 160 degrees. Remove and top with sliced tomato. 6. Add salt to taste. Distribute the chopped garlic and parsley at the olive drizzle homemade pizza with a thread of olive oil. Bake for 5 minutes. Remove the Napolitan pizza and serve. Thank you very much. Bye bye.